What's up, I'm Joni here. I'm back with another Transformers video review on Transformers Studio Series, all about Ratchet. This is just like an ambulance mode. And here we have the thing where you can stable him, the splice stand thing, or whatever you want to call this. So let's transform and take off his weapons. This is his saw blade. Let's take that off. Put that to the side. First, we do his doors. This. And both of them up like this. From side to side like that. Next, pull this up. On. You get them lined up, then go on to his feet. Then go on to his feet. Now let's put the saw blade on him. Put him on the space stand. And well, guys, that's what Ratchet looks like. The Ratchet, that's what his Studio Series all about Ratchet looks like. I'm going to have him on the space stand. I'll see this out, guys. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, subscribe. Bye.